Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me again, Flanky. So I had just got a request from the CPM Drift YouTuber CPM Bacon in one of my previous videos that I should try one of his drifting setups. So for this, I will be using the setup from his budget car video. That is the Toyota ae86 Trueno.